This channel presents what to expect at 6 months pregnant. Are you curious about the latest updates regarding your pregnancy? Perhaps you're eager to know how your little one is developing or what kind of symptoms you might experience during this exciting journey. Today, we will explore the wondrous world of 6 months of pregnancy, covering everything from the fascinating growth and development of your unborn baby to the most common symptoms and helpful advice to ensure a smooth sailing remainder of your pregnancy. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover all the incredible changes happening at 6 months pregnant. At 6 months pregnant, you're stepping into the home stretch of your second trimester. Now that you've successfully navigated the first half of your pregnancy, you're probably feeling more comfortable with your baby bump and your body's ever-changing needs. But do not get too comfy just yet, because there are still plenty of exciting developments and adjustments ahead. At 6 months pregnant, your baby is getting longer and plumper by the week, preparing for life outside the womb. And you'll need to keep up with regular prenatal appointments and necessary preparations for your baby's arrival. With just 3 months until your due date, it's time to get excited for the next chapter in your pregnancy journey. So, let's dive into all the details of what you and your baby can expect at 6 months pregnant. By the end of the 6th month, your baby is about the size of an aubergine, eggplant, measuring approximately 12 inches, 30 centimeters in length, and weighing around 2 pounds, 900 grams. The brain continues to develop rapidly, with more connections forming between the neurons. This helps lay the foundation for learning and behavior later in life. The sex organs develop further, and the fetus starts to produce either breast milk or semen. By the end of this stage, the bones are fully developed, but they remain soft and flexible. They will continue to harden over the last few months of pregnancy. The muscles and body fat start to develop, and the body becomes more rounded. The immune system is still developing, but the baby has started producing antibodies against certain diseases. The digestive system is becoming more active with the production of digestive juices, such as bile. The kidneys are now functioning and producing urine. The lungs are not yet mature, but they are preparing for breathing air after birth. Your baby is also becoming more active, with increased movements like kicks and rolls. This means that you will feel more movement from your baby at this stage of pregnancy. The brain is sending signals to the muscles, but the baby cannot control these movements yet. The senses of sight, hearing, taste, and smell are developing. Your baby can hear sounds from the outside world, such as your voice and heartbeat. The skin is becoming more sensitive, and the baby may startle at loud noises or bright lights. Now that you know more about your little one's development, let's talk about some of the symptoms you may experience at 6 months pregnant. Number 1, back pain. As your baby grows, your center of gravity shifts, which can lead to back pain. To alleviate discomfort, consider wearing flat shoes, avoiding prolonged standing and bending at the knees when picking up objects. Pregnancy massages or yoga may also help relieve pain. Number 2, swollen feet and ankles. You may notice swelling in your feet, ankles, and hands. Resting with your feet elevated and staying hydrated can help manage this symptom. If swelling is sudden or severe, consult your healthcare provider to rule out conditions like preeclampsia. No. 3, leg cramps. Leg cramps, especially at night, are common during this stage. Stretching before bed and staying hydrated may reduce the frequency of cramps. However, they may not be entirely preventable. Number 4, pregnancy cravings. Your appetite may increase as your baby grows. It's important to maintain a balanced diet rich in nutrients to support both your health and your baby's development. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized dietary recommendations. Number 5, snoring. Hormonal changes can cause nasal congestion, leading to snoring. Using a humidifier or nasal strips may help alleviate this symptom. If snoring is loud or persistent, consult your healthcare provider. And number 6, sleep discomfort. Finding a comfortable sleeping position may become challenging. Using pillows to support your body and sleeping on your side can improve comfort and sleep quality. As you navigate the challenges of pregnancy, remember to prioritize self-care and seek support when needed. Open communication with your partner, friends, and healthcare providers can make a significant difference in your overall well-being and the health of your baby. By taking care of yourself, you are not only nourishing your own body, but also providing the best possible start for your child. If you're enjoying our content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our health tips and advice. We'd love to have you join our community of health-conscious individuals. Together, we can support each other on our journey to better health and well-being. Now that you know about your baby's development and potential symptoms, let's discuss some tips for this stage of pregnancy. First, maintain a healthy diet. Continue consuming a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, including protein, iron, calcium, and vitamins. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy. Stay away from processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine intake. Consider taking a prenatal vitamin to ensure you meet all your nutritional needs. Proper nutrition helps support your baby's growth and development while also keeping you healthy throughout the pregnancy. Next, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining amniotic fluid levels, preventing constipation, and reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. You can infuse your water with natural flavors like lemon or cucumber to make it more enjoyable. Additionally, if your healthcare provider recommends it, you can consume water-rich fruits and vegetables like watermelon and cucumbers to contribute to your daily fluid intake. Next, monitor symptoms. Keep track of any new or persisting symptoms and consult your healthcare provider if needed. Regular monitoring of symptoms allows for early detection and management of any issues that may arise. Attend all scheduled prenatal appointments for checkups and ultrasounds. At these appointments, your healthcare provider will monitor your and your baby's health, measure your blood pressure, check your weight and urine, and assess your baby's growth. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to discuss them with your provider. Last but not least, prepare for the third trimester. As you approach the third trimester, plan for upcoming appointments and continue prenatal care. This includes scheduling childbirth classes, choosing a pediatrician, and preparing your home for your baby's arrival. The third trimester brings several adjustments, including increased weight gain, more frequent prenatal appointments, and the anticipation of labor and delivery. By being prepared, you can ensure a smoother transition into this final stage of your pregnancy journey. Congratulations! You have reached the end of another fantastic pregnancy month. By following these tips and taking care of your body, you're setting the stage for a happy and healthy pregnancy. Don't forget to attend all your doctor's appointments, eat nutritious foods, and stay active. The journey through pregnancy is filled with excitement and anticipation as you prepare to welcome your baby into the world. Each month brings unique experiences and milestones that are essential to your baby's development. As you embrace this incredible journey, remember to prioritize your well-being and seek support when needed. Cherish these precious moments and look forward to the joy and wonder that await you in the coming months. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and supportive, please give us a thumbs up and share it with other expectant parents. Your feedback and engagement help us create more valuable content for you. Once again, congratulations on your pregnancy and best wishes for a smooth and joyous journey ahead. Until next time, stay healthy, stay positive, and embrace the miracle of new life growing within you.